Insert the pre-terminated antenna cable into the rightmost cable gland. Attach it to the XB radio module, secure the nut, and then tighten the cable gland. The CRX unit has a bank of 8 dip switches. Dip switch 1 should be in the on position by pushing the switch up. The remaining 7 switches are off by default. Insert the relay wires through the centre cable gland. Remove the 3-pin solenoid plug. Connect the positive wire from the relay coil to the centre pin and the negative wire to the leftmost pin and tighten. Connect the 3-pin plug back onto the mainboard and tighten the cable gland. If the auto off function is required, turn dip switch 4 to the on position by pushing the switch up. After connecting and fitting the battery pack to the enclosure lid using the pre-fitted cable tie, cut off the pre-fitted plug from the plug pack and insert the wires through the leftmost cable gland. Remove the 2-pin plug labelled solar from the charger board. After confirming polarity with a voltmeter, connect the negative wire to the left terminal and the positive wire to the right terminal and tighten. There are also polarity markings on the charger board above the solar socket. Typically, the wire with a white stripe is positive. Connect the plug back onto the charge board to the socket labelled solar. The charge selector jumper J1 is located on the circuit board inside the enclosure's lid. Remove the jumper shunt from both pins and place over any one pin so it is not lost. Connect the grey 2-pin power link to the socket labelled load on the charger board, then securing the wires inside, attach the lid to the enclosure. Press and hold the pairing button on the right hand side of the mainboard for at least 5 seconds until the red and green LEDs flash alternately. Repeat this process on the tank unit within 3 minutes. Once the units have paired, both the LEDs will flash brightly together approximately 15 times before going back to a dull flicker.